Alright y'all, so today I got something real quick for you guys, but before we get into it, I gotta preface this by saying that outside is very early in the morning, but it's a beautiful morning. We got the cicadas going, we got the dogs barking, but I really want to be out here because the way that the shade is out here right now and how cool it is out here, man, this is the perfect time to sit out here and have a little coffee, man, and just chill. So I felt like this was the perfect time to get this done for y'all, man. But anyway, today I wanted to kind of share something with you guys that I got, man, and this is going to be more for my people who have kids that is in sports, or if you're somebody who likes to record sports or go to live sporting events, little league, stuff like that. This tool here is going to be something that's going to help you. I'm going to be using this tool tonight to live stream the game. And again, this is going to be for families, you know, anybody who's doing sports and stuff, man. And this is the Ulanzi CMO10 net mounting brackets right here, as you can see. This is what I scooped up right here. I paid, let me see, I jumped on Amazon and I got this for 34 bucks. It had like a $3 coupon, man. I'll make sure I throw a link in the description if you guys want to check it out on your own, man. But anyway, this is the Ulanzi net mounting brackets right here, and this is going to allow you to put your phone. It's going to allow you to put your phone, your GoPro, or even a battery pack in the phone, battery pack in the GoPro, whatever you want to put on there, and you're going to be able to hook this onto the fence, and you're going to be able to record, live stream, do whatever you want to do with the games. And I think this is going to be the tool for me because today my daughter has a game, and I want to live stream her games. I rock Game Changer and all of that stuff, so I want to record her games. I'm tracking all her stats as well as my son, so you know, this is going to be something that I'm going to be using, man. So just to give y'all a little quick tour around the box, this is what the picture looks like here on the front. And I know I'm not doing this in my traditional fashion, sitting in my office, but man, it was such a beautiful day out here, man. Beautiful, beautiful morning right now. This is what it looks like right here on the back. And right here on the side. And then down here it just says Ulanzi, and then up at the top it just says Ulanzi. Alright, so once you open this up, let's go ahead and pop this open. I got my GoPro out here with me as well. So basically, once you open this up right here, this is what it looks like in the box right there. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's what we're looking like in the box right there. And yeah, start pulling this out. I'm going to take it out. There's no like full on, let me see if there's an instruction manual in here. You get like some little card, but it ain't no instruction manual or nothing in the bottom, so we don't even need that. But anyway, this is what it looks like right here. All right, so you got these spaces like this, right? And what you do is you clamp this part right here onto the fence, and I'm gonna go to the field and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, you know what I'm saying? But right now I just kind of want to throw it out here right now, but later we're gonna get to the field. I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like. All right, so here we go. You clip this piece right here, you unscrew it, you clip this piece right here onto the fence, and then you're gonna have these two pieces that come out like this, right? See, you're gonna have these two pieces right here that come out like this. So it looks like this, right? And you'll just clip this onto the fence. Like I said, clip it onto the fence. Boom. You can put your GoPro up here. You can put your phone in here. And it also comes with like this little GoPro mount right here too as well. But you can put your phone over right here. And this is a spring load right here. So you put your phone there. You can put your GoPro here. Or you can even put a different, another phone mount on this side. And then you can put like a battery pack in here. So you can run continuous power to your actual phone. Also, the bottom is spring loaded down here where you put it on the fence. So all you do is clip this onto the fence like that, boom, and you just tighten it up right here. Just keep on going till you tighten this up how much you want to tighten it to clamp it all the way down so it locks. See, now I done locked it in place with this little knob here, and boom, it's locked in place. And then if you want to untighten it, you just do this, loosen it up so that you can get your spring back, clip it onto the fence, tighten it up, you good. Same thing as with these, you can tighten it up, do whatever you want to do, tighten those up, and then you can tighten up this ball head, and you good to go. And then you can even tighten up the middle piece so you can lock this in place where it don't move anymore. See how I have it stuck now, it don't move because I turned this little knob here so that it don't move. So now everything is kind of locked in place. If I want to unloosen it, I just turn that just like this, and then boom, now I can go back to moving everything around. So it locks in a lot of different places, man. So it's going to give you a lot of good positions, you know what I'm saying, to move this thing around however you want to get it done, man. But I feel like this is going to be the perfect tool to get the job done. So I'm gonna show you what the GoPro and stuff looks like on here right now. So I brought my GoPro Hero 5 out here. So this is what it would look like. All right, you would just screw this in like this, right? Position that up on the fence so you get your good spot through the fence, through the chain link fence or whatever you want to do. And then for the phone, all you would do is take it like this. If you want to use it with your phone, all you do is throw your phone in here like that. See what I'm saying? And now this is what you're looking like. So you can throw your phone in just like this and have it up like that if you want to do it this way. You see what I'm saying? Or you can use this side for your phone and put a battery bank on this side with another phone clip. It's basically up to you how you want to run this thing, man. But I feel like this is going to be the perfect tool for me, because how I'm going to use this today is I'm going to turn this way like this. I'm going to put the battery bank, I'm going to put my phone on this side or either this side, and I'm going to turn it like this. I'm going to have it up like this, and I'm going to use this side for like the battery bank. I'm going to have the battery bank right here, and I'm just going to run it so that I can live stream the game, because I'm on Game Changer and stuff like that. So for families, you know, for anybody that's recording sports, for anybody that's, you know, on Game Changer, or you are, you know, want to live stream your kids' Little League games and stuff like that, this is going to be the perfect setup right here. All right. So what I'm going to do is from here, later on today, I'm going to get to the field, and I'm going to actually give you guys like a full tutorial on how to put this on the fence and what it'll look like, press record and do all that good stuff, man. So give me a little bit of time, and once I get to the field and get that stuff knocked out, man, we'll continue this video from there. All right, I'll catch up with y'all in a hot minute. All right, this is what this looks like when you got it on the fence right here. I got my phone up there. If I press record, I'll show you guys what that looked like as far as what the field looked like. But this is what the mount looks like right here. And right here I got my charger, so I took off the GoPro, I put my charger here, so if my phone started to die I could just plug it in. But this is what that looks like from this side right here. And I'm gonna go around the other side and show you guys, and then we'll get out of here. All right, so this is what it looks like from this side of the fence right here. So this is all you see behind home plate or wherever you decide you want to put this at. But this is what my setup looks like. Sometimes I have this angled differently, but you know, today I just threw it on here like this. So you can always adjust this thing however you want. You can put your phone on here, you can put a GoPro, do whatever you want to do. But this is what that side looks like right there. So again, this is for all my parents out there, for everybody who's live streaming these games, who's recording their kids playing, man. This is just a good setup to get you started right here, man, if you want to record some of that gameplay, man. So let's go ahead and wrap it up. All right, guys, so there you have it, the Ulanzi net mounting bracket. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you in some way, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your man Jay. I'm gonna get up out of here. Peace.